Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make faux chicken. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including a whole chicken, ginger, onions, and key spices like star anise and cinnamon sticks. Next, prepare the chicken by rinsing it well and blanching it briefly to remove impurities. This step is crucial for a clear broth. Then, toast your aromatic spices gently in a dry pan until fragrant, which really brings out their depth. Now, let's create that incredible broth. Combine the blanched chicken, toasted spices, charred ginger, and onions in a large pot with about 12 cups of water. Simmer this mixture gently for at least 1.5 hours or until the chicken is tender. Remember to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This ensures a beautifully clear broth. Finally, season with fish sauce, a touch of sugar, and salt. With your broth ready, it's time to assemble your delicious pho. First, cook your pho noodles according to the package instructions, usually just a quick dip in boiling water. Next, remove the cooked chicken from the broth, let it cool slightly, and then shred or slice it thinly. Arrange the noodles and chicken in a bowl. Finally, prepare your fresh garnishes, such as cilantro, basil, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. To serve, ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth generously over the noodles and chicken in each bowl. Encourage everyone to customize their pho with the fresh garnishes you've prepared, adding as much or as little as they like. A squeeze of lime, a few chili slices, or a dash of sriracha can really elevate the experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chicken pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.